An overview of the DeFi-U website functionality. Welcome to the personal account of the DeFi-U website. In this tutorial, you will learn about its functionality. Dashboard. Let's get started with the website by looking at the dashboard section. As soon as you enter the website, you'll notice 5 widgets. Let's take a look at what each of them displays. My Split status contains 2 widgets. Available Split, which shows how many Split tokens are available for withdrawal at the moment. And Total Payout Split, which shows how many total Split tokens have already been withdrawn. Split License Status shows how much of your license limit has been utilized. You can increase your license status and raise your limit anytime by clicking Increase License button. Split license usage contains several indicators. Total split limit, which shows how many total split tokens you can receive under your license, including tokens already received. Available limit, which shows how many more split tokens you can get. And used limit, which shows the combined total of tokens you've already received. Global Split Status shows how many split tokens are currently on the market. Reward per split specifies the amount of Ultima you'll receive for holding 1 split token at the current time. Current halving period shows how many Ultima tokens are currently being put on the market on a daily basis. The next halving section provides details about the remaining blocks until the next halving event. As you scroll down the page, you'll encounter a widget detailing the halving rules. It's worth reminding that the number of Ultima released to the market per day decreases every 10 million blocks. By 2028, only 1 Ultima token will be introduced to the market each day. That's why obtaining a license as early as possible and commencing the receipt of Ultima tokens daily is a wise move. Below that, you'll see the licenses and split contracts available for purchase. Under the Legendary Promo tab, you'll see the licenses available as part of the Legendary Promo, a special offer at launch. By purchasing these licenses, you'll enjoy a limit for split contracts 4 times greater and receive 4 times more Ultima tokens. My licenses. Let's move on to the next section of the menu, which is My Licenses. On this page, in the License Keys section, you will find a list of purchased licenses and will be able to activate them. The Activation History tab provides insights into previously used activation keys. The License Keys section contains the following details: order number, date of purchase, package name, activation key, order amount, and status, activated or not activated. The Activation History section contains a table with data about key activation, activation date, activation key, and contract purchase limit size. My Contracts. Let's move on to the next section, My Contracts. On this page, you can find the following information about buying split contracts: order number, date of purchase, package name, number of splits, and order amount. Smart Wallet. The next section is the Smart Wallet. Here you can download the Smart Wallet to your device. Payouts. Let's proceed to the Payouts section. Here you'll find the following information about the payouts you've made: transaction ID, date, wallet address, size, status, and hash. Support. The last section of the menu is Support. Here you can contact our support team if you have any questions. This concludes our brief introduction to the DeFi website. If you still have any questions, you can always send them to our support team.